Israel launched a major military operation codenamed Days of Repentance, deploying nearly 80 aircraft in a coordinated early morning strike. This complex mission, carried out around 2 a.m., involved detailed planning to navigate through the airspaces of Jordan, Syria, and Iraq. The operation required precise calculations for air refueling and extensive coordination to avoid and neutralize air defense threats across Syria and Iraq, ensuring a safer return for the aircraft if they were targeted. Israel's strategy unfolded in 3 waves, each with distinct objectives. First wave, focused on destroying surface-to-air missile sites, radar installations, and the Iranian air defense headquarters in Tehran, Ilam, and Qazvin. This initial strike targeted Iran's ability to detect and counter aerial assaults. Second wave, aimed at neutralizing Iran's ballistic missile infrastructure, significantly impacting Iran's missile bases and targeting its ballistic and hypersonic missile capabilities. Third wave targeted critical military production facilities and logistics centers, including missile manufacturing plants, with the objective of crippling Iran's ability to produce and sustain missile stockpiles. To minimize the risk from Iranian air defenses, Israel deployed ROX missiles, allowing their aircraft to strike targets from closer range without fully penetrating Iranian airspace. This advanced missile system enabled Israel to achieve precise targeting while maintaining a safer distance. Surprisingly, Iran's Bavar 373 air defense system performed better than anticipated, intercepting several Israeli drones and missiles. This system, equipped with Sayyad-4 missiles housed in 2 rectangular launch canisters, employs a phased-array radar with a tracking range of up to 450 kilometers, which Iran claims can monitor up to 200 targets simultaneously. Israeli fighter jets and weapons. At the forefront of the Israeli strike were 5th-generation F-35 fighter jets along with F-16 and F-15 jets. These aircraft covered approximately 1,600 kilometers, supported by air refueling tankers to ensure fuel reserves for potential aerial engagements with Iranian fighter jets and for safe return to base. The weapons of choice included the long-range supersonic Blue Arrow missile and the ROX extended-range standoff air-to-surface missile. ROX missiles allowed in-flight control and targeting adjustments, crucial for hitting mobile targets in high-threat environments. Their GPS-enabled inertial guidance system, along with an infrared seeker, ensured accurate terminal strikes with powerful blast fragmentation or deep penetration effects. The Israeli attack broke down into 3 phases, each designed to dismantle Iran's military infrastructure. Phase 1 disabled Iran's air defense systems and radar installations in Tehran, Ilam, and Qazvin. These attacks included SAM sites and early warning radar systems, crucial to Iran's aerial defense. Phase 2 focused on dismantling Iran's missile arsenal targeting ballistic and hypersonic missile facilities. This phase also saw IDF drones attack the Paran military base near Tehran, with at least 1 drone breaching Iranian air defenses to hit its target. Phase 3 targeted essential military barracks and manufacturing facilities to disrupt Iran's missile production and logistics capabilities. Strikes on the Qadiri barracks, Hassan Khan Castle, and missile manufacturing facilities were reported to significantly impact Iran's logistics network. Iranian missile arsenal. In retaliation, Iran deployed ground-launched ballistic missiles like the Fatah-1 and Fatah-2, known for their advanced aerodynamic capabilities that allow evasion of defensive missile systems. Iran also used variants of the Shahab-3 ballistic missile, which serves as the foundation for its medium-range missile capabilities. Launched from reinforced bunkers, these missiles require rapid targeting by Israel's defensive systems. Israeli LORA missiles. Israel also deployed its new LORA ballistic missiles for high-precision strikes deep within Iranian territory, engineered to avoid enemy airspace. This advanced missile, traveling at supersonic speeds, can penetrate air defenses with high-accuracy GPS and inertial navigation systems, delivering precise impacts on critical targets without risking aircraft. Iranian Air Force and Defense Systems. Iran's primary fighter jets include American-made F-4 Phantoms and F-14 Tomcats from the Shah's era, with around 64 Phantoms and 40 Tomcats in active service. Additionally, Iran acquired about 30 MiG-29 multi-role fighter jets from Russia. Despite their age, these aircraft are still capable of posing a threat to Israel's F-16s and F-35s. Iran's $800 million S-300 air defense system further enhances its capabilities, intercepting targets at ranges up to 400 kilometers, or approximately 250 miles. Equipped with Big Bird long-range surveillance radar, the system can track up to 300 objects simultaneously, passing real-time tracking data to command centers to determine threat levels and issue engagement commands. For lower-altitude threats, Iran relies on the Mobile Miss system, which can track and intercept cruise missiles and UAVs, guiding up to 160 missiles at once. The system's standard practice is to launch 2 missiles at each target for redundancy, allowing for highly effective defense against aerial and